iCarly presents
iCrush.
the Camcorder.
Hiya.
What's up?
Okay, as you know, we've been crushing things here at iCarly.com.
And a few of you people
The fans of iCarly.
have been clicking on our feedback button, asking us to crush specific things for you.
One of you asked us to crush a camcorder.
So, yesterday at school, I asked our friend Gibby if I could borrow his camcorder, and here it is.
We can't crush Gibby's camcorder.
Can't we? Spencer!
No, wait, seriously, no. Great. Who's gonna tell Gibby?
You.
What? Sam, Sorry, Gibby.
Whoa!